Are you tired of serving food the traditional way? In this quick and easy tutorial, we reveal the secrets of professional plate garnishing, food art, using simple, everyday vegetables like cucumbers and carrots. Learn how to transform your everyday meals and special dinner parties into stunning works of art. You don't need complicated, expensive tools. Just follow our simple step-by-step guide. Watch till the end to discover the trick to making an unforgettable impression on all your guests. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen secrets, cooking hacks, and creative plating ideas. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed mastering the art of professional fruit and vegetable carving and food garnishing. Remember, every plate is a canvas. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Fresh on Plate community for more elite techniques and gourmet healthy recipes. See you in the next masterpiece.